Want to turn every purchase into a reward? With our token system, the more you shop, the more you earn. And it's all just a tap away. Let's unlock those rewards. Loyal and Save is pleased to announce that digital coupons are now available through the Swag Shop. This allows customers to redeem their accrued Loyal and Save tokens for valuable coupons. Customers can then use these digital coupons to obtain discounts or a free item on purchases made in-store. The digital coupons are created in the Control Center, are accessible on the Loyal and Save web portal or mobile app. To create a coupon, let's navigate to the Control Center and click on Loyalty, Swag Shop, then click on Items. In the Items section, you will see a list of your current coupons and merchandise. To create a new coupon, click on the Add New button. From the Swag Item drop-down menu, select Coupon. In this section, you will enter in the coupon name. The name will be displayed on both the app and the web portal. Coupon type. There are three options for the coupon type: a dollar amount off, a free item, and a percentage off. To enter a dollar amount off, you would select dollar amount off and enter the amount of the coupon value in the field. To enter a percentage off, select percentage off and then enter the value of the coupon in the coupon field. Free item. By selecting this coupon type allows the customer to receive a specific item at no cost. Category. Select the category which best categorizes this coupon. Tags. Enter in a tag to identify the coupon. Token cost. Enter how many tokens are required for the customer to redeem the coupon. Header name. The header name is entered and appears below the product on the products page. It will appear bold on the coupon. The max header limit is 24. You can add up to 3 header lines. Text. This line appears on an individual product page on the coupon itself. The max character limit for the text lines is 24. You can add up to 5 text lines. When entering in the text lines, this will be the rules of the coupon. Expiration type. From here, you can set the expiration type to never expire, a static date, and enter in the coupon date, days after issue. You can limit the number of days the coupon will be valid. Once per sale. This option turned off. The coupon of the same type can be used more than once during the same transaction. So for example, if a customer has 3 coupons of a free item, you can limit how many times a customer can use that coupon in a transaction. Once per sale is toggled on by default. If the toggle option is off, you will then be able to proceed with either an unlimited, or you can set the maximum amount per coupons per sale. Please note these are coupons of the same type. Can be combined with other digital coupons. While having this toggled on will allow the coupon to be combined with other digital coupons. Apply on a single item. When enabled, the coupon can be applied to just a single item. This allows only a single items from the whitelist to be used as coupon filters. The next tab, Attributes. On the Attributes tab, from here you will enter in the number of coupons that will be available to your customers. The minimum value is 1. Next, we'll take a look at the Options tab. Maximum redemptions allowed per day. This defines the maximum number of times a specific coupon can be used per day. Maxed allowed per purchase. This defines the maximum number of times a specific coupon can be used per purchase. Expiration. By toggling this on into yes, will allow you to set a specific time when you would like to have the coupon available. The expiration time can be set by hours, days, weeks, or months. After you are done filling out the item details, click on Manage Balance Types. From here, you will enter in the token bucket which you would like your customers to redeem from. Images. If you would like to add an eye-catching image for your customers, click on Choose Files, select the image, and then click Open. Coupon filters are used to identify the products that are eligible for a coupon. A combination of blacklists and whitelists are available from the Coupon Filter drop-down list. Item whitelist or an item blacklist, a department whitelist, department blacklist, category whitelist or category blacklist, manufacturer whitelist or a manufacturer blacklist, a brand whitelist or a brand blacklist, a tag whitelist or a tag blacklist. Whitelists are items which you would like to include in your coupon. Blacklists are items you wish to exclude from your coupon. In this example, we will click on Item Whitelist. Then click on Add Filter. Then click on the Manage button. From here, you will be able to add items or products. To search for a product, enter the product's name, select the item from the results, then click on the green arrow to move the item to the selected list. Then click Apply. Once the coupon is configured, click on the Save button. The coupon will now be displayed in the Loyal and Save portal and app.